quad stretch, the muscle in front of the thigh. So you can see the client is lying on the side, arm extended to support the head, so the head stays in a neutral position. We're then going to bend the lower leg at the knee, taking the foot behind to give us some stability and balance. From there, the client's going to hold onto their laces and bring the heel towards the bottom, keeping a gap between the heel and the bottom. If they need to, they can just press the hip forward and push the foot into the hand to increase that stretch down the front of the thigh. Again, holding for 10 to 15 seconds, or developing the stretch as we've already explained by repeating the stretch for a further 10 to 15 seconds in the new position. We can also change this stretch if a client feels it's more comfortable to lie on their front. So we'll do the other quad. So the client is now lying on their front, resting their forehead on their forearm so they're nice and comfortable. They're going to take the other heel towards the buttock, hold over the laces, and again apply pressure with the foot into the hand to get that stretch down the front of the thigh. If after 10 to 15 seconds this is an area for developing flexibility, they're just going to raise the foot into the hand and raise the knee slightly from the floor, increasing the stretch down the front of the thigh, keeping the hips pressed into the mat.